Found a shortcut driving around Painesville, and we have done a few things different today. So hope you enjoyed the reel that we're going to make up. Do not try this at home. This is something that we are trying out some stuff with this chair to show people what this chair can do. You want a bit of cross-country stuff, which is what this wheelchair is built for. Oh no. This is a BMX track that I found. The things you find when you're not actually looking for stuff. It's the night after New Year's Eve. 3880, which is a pasta and pizza place, is absolutely packed, and Ginny's is a cafe in Painesville. That's absolutely packed too. Morning after New Year's Eve. I wanted to create this new video because the last time that I brought my power chair to the football ground, the footage was a bit dark, so I just wanted to recreate this video for OT purposes and show my OT that I made it to the football ground. Look, I've got my own disabled parking spot at the football ground.